Yes, the obvious answer is yes, guys. So we continue the adventure of checking out the differences between Teachable and EzyCourses. We have been making reviews on the specific advantages and disadvantages, and the main question is, should you switch from Teachable to EzyCourses? Well, to be honest, I really think that it depends on your needs. And I say this because it really does. I don't want to be like political correct or so, but if you're selling maybe just one course or 2 or 3 courses, maybe the limitation of courses is not a problem for you. If you're not selling that much, maybe the fees is not that bad for you, or the storage, maybe you have a very short video content, or maybe you have a one-on-one session, so you just need one coaching program, or maybe you're looking for sending unlimited emails per month. Well, stated, it may not be the best fit for you. Not only that, many of you will value the time that is going to be spent, maybe 1 to 2 months migrating your content and readapting and learning the new platform. It will be a hassle, and if you make the mathematics, it may not be financial worth for you. But for me, the limitations on courses, on number of students, on admins, on fees, and all these little details were more than enough to make the decision to move to another platform. So the main question was not, is EzyCourse a good fit for me? It was, how long can I stay in Teachable without having a real repercussion in my academy? And of course, the next question will be, what will be the best platform to migrate? For me, guys, it was pretty obvious EzyCourse was the best suit for me. Rational pricing and the features I was looking. Because maybe pricing is not an issue for you, but for many instructors out there trying to make online content, niche application content that do not have a huge following, pricing is definitely something to consider. And not only that, the philosophy that goes beyond the companies is something that I really take into consideration. Teachable has this vision of taking advantage of their customers, not innovating, not creating extra features, and removing features, while EzyCourses have this dynamic idea of innovation, updating, improving, and always centered in the customer. For me, that's solid gold. And one last thing to consider, support. I really hated when I had one big problem to go into Teachable and know that I will be creating a ticket and it's going to take for 24 hours, and then they're going to reply me something useless and I will be explaining them and they will redirect me to another department, and after 48 hours I may get some solution. In the other hand, in EzyCourses, you can go to the Facebook group and you will have direct access to the CEO. Not only that, I have a WhatsApp group with a support system that goes and helps me daily. I don't know how they do it, but if I ask something at 4 p.m. or 8 a.m., they will be replying within me. So for me, that's once again, game changer. At the end of the day, guys, I'm pretty sure that you already analyzed what is Teachable, what is EzyCourses. We already show the features, my own financials, how I'm going to be returning my investment in maybe less than 2 years. And it's up to you to decide whether shifting is a good fit for you. I really would have loved to see this type of content back in 2024 when I was wondering, what should I do? Is Teachable still worth it? Do I need to accept the hikes in prices? Or should I move to Kajabi? Or maybe look for self-hosting, or what are the possible alternatives? Moving to EzyCourses was the best decision I could make. On my behalf, guys, that will be it. I'll see you in the next video.
Love is clean and love is pure, and love is the thing that no doctor can cure.